How you doing today? My name's Adam Palmer here at J-Tech. I've got a complaint of a driver that his left headlamp is not working. So now we're going to check it. All right, the type of vehicle this is 2012 Transtar International Day Cab. All right, so first thing we're going to do is I have my schematic sheet here. You have four things that you need to check out. You need to check out the fuse, you need to check out the relay, the switch, and the headlamp. All right, so those are the things that we're going to check out. All right, I got the schematics right here. First thing we're going to do is make sure we got power going to the fuse. All right, and I've already got this hooked up. This is the fuse right here. All right, we're going to pull it out and we're going to probe it. And we do. It's faint, but that means that we have it. So the fuse has got power going to it, so it's definitely not the fuse. All right, you got the relay right here. All right, just a little relay. I'm going to go ahead and check the ohms or the continuity, make sure there's no resistance. Got 1 ohm on it. So we got ohms. So the fuse is working. Now we need to go out there and test it on the platform. So okay, here we go. Relay. Earlier I said it was a fuse, and I was relaying or trying to say just a relay. Two different components. So I said that before, I apologize. All right. Now we're going to check to see if this relay is working. I've hooked it up to 85 and 86, and you can hear it when I hook it up there clicking, so you know it's working. Back and forth, back and forth. All right. My next step I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and check the resistance on it. So you place it in ohms. Okay. It shows very little ohms. If I get these things clipped just right. It's still dropping, so you got less than 1 ohms, less than 1 continuity on it. And that right there is just checking to make sure that the relay is working correctly. Disconnect it, and we're going to put it back in the truck. So we know this component is working right. So we know our fuse is working right, and we know the relay is working right. Okay, now we're going to check the headlamp and the harness, make sure it's all good to go. Miraculously, the headlamp is working, but now it's out. So first thing we're going to do is make sure we got voltage going to it. I want to make sure we got power going to this, so I'm going to put it on the probe. We got power going to it. We do have power going to it. Right. So we know we have power going to it. Alright. We're going to check on this harness to see if we got ohms or any resistance on it. just to reset it. I know I had it. It's kilo ohms, so we do have ohms there, so we do have resistance. All right. Pull the light bulb out. With the light bulb, we're going to inspect it. Make sure we have both filaments working, or not working, but we want to make sure both filaments are not busted. So as you see, they're not busted. Now we're going to check the resistance, see if there's any resistance on it. We got about a half, less than 1 ohms on it. So we got to get resistance on it. Check for the high beams. Same thing. So we're going to reinstall it. We're going to op test it. So it tells me everything's okay. Maybe the driver hit a bomb, or maybe an internal light switch on. So we're going to check it. But always remember, you got to turn it on. It does help. All right, let me get this high beam, the low beams turned on, please. And as you see, they're working now. All right, go ahead and turn the high beams on. And the high beams are working. So I guess now that we have a good op test on it. So thank you for watching this video, and have a great day. Thank you.